Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. It's a little late today. Been buying stocks for the last 2 hours, roaring higher here. The S&P, Dow Jones set a new record, but the S&P did rip through 3,900, 3,903, major three-star resistance, aligned with Friday's settlement, as well as other technical indicators. Path of least resistance is now higher. You got the Russell out above a downtrend line that starts from its own record high. 2260 is now a lot of support there. But again, Dow Jones record high. You had tech leading the way lower, and that 12,700 and change held yesterday. Rare major four-star support. The market is rebounding well. We think tech is going to play catch-up here over the coming days, so keep that in mind. But I do think we're going to see record highs across the board as well over the next week or two. So keep an eye on all this. We're very bold up here now. Still got to see it close in the S&P above 3,900, but we expect it, and it's going to set the wheels in motion. You got crude oil out above 63 bucks, and that gives it path of least resistance to 65.5. A lot of distorted data here from the EIA. It's one of those ones you sort of got to sleep on, but what matters most is, does production come back online in Texas with this freeze? So that's one of the questions right now at OPEC meeting next week. And then looking at gold and silver, gold is lagging. Silver's back above 27.88, or at least flirting with that area. Got to get it close above $28 again tomorrow. Get some momentum there back in silver. Gold, though, weighing on gold is what really weighed on the entire market early this morning. You got rising treasury yields. That 10-year yield got above 1.4. We've been calling for it. Gets above 1.25. You have a quick move to 1.5%, and that's going to be a little bit of a pain threshold. Gold more than anything, though. Rising treasury yields is going to weigh on gold. 1790, 1796 held, and gold is sort of consolidating. If silver can lead gold out of the gutter, then gold can get the thing going. But what we're seeing here with equities, it's the treasury prices coming back up, those yields backing off here as the day unfolds, and that's bringing a risk-on sentiment. So that could also bleed into gold. We are bulled up across the board. Give us a call. We're here to talk about anything. 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. Remember, the futures trading involves substantial risk of loss, not suitable for all investors.